Have you ever dreamed of building an app that runs seamlessly across multiple platforms, including Wear OS? Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Flutter app for Wear OS. Flutter makes it incredibly easy to build beautiful, natively compiled applications from a single codebase. So, let's dive in. Flutter has revolutionized the way we think about cross-platform development. Whether you are targeting mobile, web, desktop, or even wearables like Wear OS, Flutter's got you covered. Today, we're going to build a simple watch face app that displays the current time and updates every second. Keep watching till end. I'll share an exciting example of a Wear OS app. First, make sure you have the Wear OS emulator installed. To install one, go to Android Studio, select your required specifications, and create an emulator to run our app. Or you can also use a real watch to debug your apps. Now, let's create a new Flutter project and make some modifications to our project files to target Wear OS. First, open Android manifest.xml and add the following lines to specify that this app is for Wear OS. Next, update app-build.gradle to set the minimum and target SDK versions to 23 and 34 respectively. Now, let's build the UI for our watch face. But before that, install the INTL and Watch Plus packages. INTL is required for date formatting, and we'll use Watch Plus to detect if the watch is in ambient mode or normal mode. Wear OS devices have small batteries, so to save power, the OS switches to ambient mode, so we will show a static widget when the app is in ambient mode. Now, create a new stateless widget called Watch Face. We'll add a text widget at the center. For now, it's static, but we'll make it dynamic later. With our code in place, it's time to run the app on the Wear OS emulator. You should see your watch face displaying 00. If you've made it this far, congratulations on running your first Wear OS app. Now, let's make the watch face dynamic to show the current time. Change the widget from stateless to stateful. Create a new variable, time string, and add a timer in the initState method to update this variable every second. Now, pass this value to the text widget. You should see your watch face displaying the current time and updating every second. How cool is that? Now let's use Ambient Mode Builder from the Watch Plus plugin. We will show the clock when the watch is in normal mode and Flutter logo if the watch is in ambient mode. And there you have it. You've just built a Flutter app for Wear OS. This simple watch face is just the beginning. With Flutter, you can create more complex and feature-rich apps for wearables. Check this out, I've made a Flutter logo with a liquid loading animation running on Wear OS. Isn't that crazy? You can find the source code for both examples in the link given below in the description. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Also, let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!